Is your Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Save money and time by replacing it yourself. This video provides a quick and easy guide to DIY battery replacement applicable to most E-Class AMG models. Doing it yourself will save you time and money and is very straightforward. Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG key fobs typically use a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type is widely available at pharmacies, online retailers, and even some grocery stores. The CR2032 is a 3-volt lithium battery with coin cell design, measuring about 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick. It provides reliable power for key fob functions like locking and unlocking. To ensure optimal performance and longer life, purchase new, high-quality CR2032 batteries. Avoid generic or low-cost brands, as they may drain faster or fail prematurely. You'll need just a few simple tools for this job. A small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated key fob opening tool works best. Plastic tools are preferable to avoid scratches on the fob. For extra protection, wear gloves to prevent fingerprints on the fob's surface. Protect your workspace with a soft cloth to keep everything clean. These tools will help you safely access and work on your key fob. Locate the seam on your key fob. It's usually between the Mercedes star and the key blade attachment. Gently pry the two halves apart using your tool. Some models have a release button. Check your owner's manual. Be careful not to force it. Work your way around the seams slowly. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery inside. Make sure to note the orientation, with the positive side facing up. Carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery from the compartment. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Make sure it's securely seated in the compartment. Incorrect orientation can damage the fob, so always double-check the battery placement. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring a tight, flush fit. Now test the key fob's functions: lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic button if equipped. Test from various distances to confirm proper function. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacement, start by double-checking the battery orientation. The positive side should face up. Make sure you're using a fresh, new CR2032 battery. Old or weak batteries won't provide reliable power. Try cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion. If issues continue, refer to your vehicle's manual for model-specific instructions or visit a Mercedes-Benz service center. For older fob generations, you may need to reset the key fob through your vehicle's settings menu. Check your specific model for details.